Hi, I'm Nurse Choma, founder of Solid Steps to NCLEX Success. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to pass your NCLEX exam and assess whether or not you're ready to take it. And stay tuned until the end so you can get access to my free masterclass training where I show you exactly how I passed my NCLEX exam in 30 days. These 4 tips will help you to determine what you need to focus on so you can create a solid plan that will help you to successfully prepare for your NCLEX exam as soon as possible. So grab a paper and a pen and let's get started. Tip number 1, learn what is covered on the NCLEX exam. In order to pass the NCLEX, you want to first begin by really learning what the exam actually covers. Sometimes it can be easier to just receive information about the NCLEX from what you heard other people say or from just doing some practice questions online, but you want to first focus on learning the specific details of the NCLEX so you don't find yourself wasting your time studying the wrong information. For example, there's a difference between you generally knowing that the NCLEX exam covers a bunch of diseases versus learning the most common specific diseases frequently tested on the exam. You want to know the actual facts about the NCLEX. You can explore this information by downloading the detailed test plan about the NCLEX through the National Council Standards of Practice Boards of Nursing website. Tip number 2, choose your study path. The next step to passing your NCLEX exam is you want to choose your study path. So ask yourself, what do you believe would be the best route for you to take to study for your exam? Are you going to study for your exam using books? Are you going to do a review course? The best way to make your decision is to simply think about the way that you learn best. For example, do you learn best from reading because you're an avid reader? Then find some great NCLEX review books to study from. Or maybe you learn best from being in an interactive environment around other people. Then if that's the case, you would probably function best from a live review class. Remember, passing the NCLEX exam is personal, so it's about discovering what's best for you, not necessarily doing what everyone else is doing. Tip number 3, take a comprehensive assessment test. Now that you're ready to begin studying, you will want to complete a comprehensive assessment test to help you to identify if you are ready to take the NCLEX exam. There are different kinds of assessment exams that are available for you to take, so I'm going to discuss a couple of things that you should look out for on an assessment test. A comprehensive assessment test should include questions that identifies all the categories on the exam. Also as well, it should be timed so you know how long it took you to take the exam. And an analysis at the end of completing it so you know your overall performance. Bonus tip, in addition to make sure you receive a PDF report of your results so you know exactly what you should study based on your personalized results. This will help you to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses before you take the NCLEX exam. Tip number 4, don't freak out. Once you receive your assessment results, you may not be happy with your results, but don't freak out. The average NCLEX test taker who takes an assessment normally gets a 50 to 60% score on the assessment test. It shouldn't discourage you to think that you can't pass your NCLEX exam. However, you have to be honest with yourself that you just may not be prepared to take your NCLEX exam right now. If you score below 80% on your assessment test, I would recommend that you push your test date back because usually you're going to score 10% lower due to the difficulty level of the exam. When you push your test date back, begin making the necessary changes to your study plan. I hope all this information has been inspiring as well as giving you an idea of where you should be in order to pass your NCLEX exam. But if you want to know the specific steps on how you can pass the NCLEX exam, then click the link below to watch my free masterclass training of how I passed my NCLEX exam in 30 days. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.